question on distance and displacement. How to solve questions based on displacement. So first you have to know what is distance and what is displacement. Distance is the path length. What is path length? Path length means actual length of the path. Suppose here is a point, here is a point, B point. One moves in different way. This is a path. This is another path. This is another path. A is the starting point, B is the ending point. So from this starting point and ending point there is 3 paths. So all are distances. If one moves from A to B through this path, you just measure it and that gives you distance. Similarly, if one moves in this way, you measure it, that is distance. Also, this is distance. But what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest path between initial and a final point. So what is shortest? Shortest is this one. If you join a straight line between initial point and a final point, that gives you displacement. Suppose here is your school, here is your home. From home to school you move in this path. So just measure, that is the distance. Another path is there. You measure, that is the distance. Actual length. When you move, you just measure the actual length cover. That is what distance. So one says, what is the displacement? The shortest between initial and final. Shortest between home and school. How to obtain? You just join by a straight line. That straight line gives you the displacement between this initial and final point. So I think you know what is distance, what is displacement. Now how to solve numericals or problems in distance and displacement. Suppose here is a point A. You move this path and that path. This is B point. You move like that, A to B, and you are told to find out distance and displacement. Suppose this is 4 meter, this is 3 meter, so distance will be actual path. You just add all, that is 4 plus 3. So distance is 7 meter. But what is displacement? Displacement is what? This is the shortest length between initial and final. So how to obtain? I have already told you, you join a straight line. You join this. So this is the displacement. So how to find out? You know, this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So in that right angle triangle, this AB is the hypotenuse. So how to find out this? I mean displacement is equal to AB is equal to square root of 4 square plus 3 square, that is 5 meter. So in this question displacement is 5 meter and distance is 7 meter. Okay. If I change the question like that, suppose I extend this. In the next question, I make like this. This is B point. A is the initial point, B is the final point. So this is suppose 3 meter, this is suppose 2 meter. Here what is distance and what is displacement? Distance is simple, the addition. Simply you add this. So I mean this is 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 9 meter. How to find out displacement? You join the initial and final point. This is the initial point, this is the final point. You join this. How to join? Through a straight line. So you join this. Now this is the displacement. So how to find out? To make a right angle triangle, because in a right angle triangle you are able to find out. So how to make this a right angle triangle? You join this like this. Make this perpendicular. So you see this is a right angle triangle. So this is 4 meter. This will be 2 meter. How? This is 2 meter. So that will be 2 meter. This is 3 meter. This is 3 meter. So this will be 3. So in this right angle triangle, how to find out AB? That is AB means this is the displacement. What? What is this? 6 meter. 4 plus 2 square plus 3, that is 6 square 36 plus 9 root over of 45 meter. Or you take 3 into root 5 meter. This is the displacement. So it is easy to calculate if you know how to find out displacement and a distance. So the question is a circle. What does it mean? Suppose here is a circle or circular path. O is its center, its radius is 7 meter. Suppose one starts here, point A, and after two complete rotation, what is distance and displacement? It makes two complete revolutions or two complete rotations. So you see, this is the starting point. One revolution, two revolutions. So in two revolutions, what is the displacement? 0, because starting point and ending point are same after two revolutions. So here displacement is equal to 0. But what is distance? Students, you know, for one complete rotation or cycle, the distance is 2 pi r, circumference. That is for one complete rotation, this is 2 pi r. Two complete rotations are there. That means distance is equal to 2 into 2 pi r. For one complete cycle, distance is 2 pi r circumference. So 2 complete rotation, so that is 4 pi r. This is 4 into 22 by 7 into 7, that is 88 meter. So in this question, the displacement is 0, but distance is 88 meter. If I change the question, in place of 2, I write 2.5 revolutions. Suppose I write 2.5 complete by half revolutions or rotation, 2.5 rotations. What is the distance and the displacement? You see, starting point is a 1, 2, half, 2 half. So I mean initial point A, final point B. So you just join. This is what diameter of this circle. So I mean this is the displacement. This is the shortest between initial and final. So displacement is how much? Here displacement will be diameter. What is diameter? Twice into radius. 2 into 7. This is 14 meter. You know displacement is the shortest between initial and a final. That's why it is what? 2 into 7. What is distance? 2.5 revolution. In 2 revolutions, this is 4 pi r. 4 pi r is for 2 revolutions. 2.5. Half means plus pi r. I mean 5 pi r. So 5 into 22 by 7 into 7, that will be 110 meter. So this is the distance. So in this way you can solve numericals for it. If the question is like this, same case, 7 meter. Suppose one starts point A and reaches B. 90 degree this is. A is the starting point, B is the ending point, like this. What is distance and displacement? Distance is what? AB. A to B. This part. This is what? 1/4 of the 1 revolution. So distance will be 1/4 of 1 revolution means 2 pi r. So that is pi r by 2. So what you get? So that will be 11 meter. So in this case, distance is 11 meter. From A to B, this is 11 meter. But what is displacement? Displacement. A to B join a shortest one. This is the shortest path. A to B the shortest. So what is this? This is a right angle triangle. So this is 7 meter. This is 7 meter because this is a radius. So what is AB? Again you apply theorem. You will get, that is 7 square plus 7 square square root. That will give you 7 into root 2 meter. Okay, I think it is clear how to find out distance and displacement.